Hello, students. This is an introduction to Edward Camus Brathwaite, the author of the essay Caribbean Literature and its Criteria. Edward Camus Brathwaite is considered as one of the major voices in Caribbean literary canon. His original name was Lawson Edward Brathwaite. His works are noted for their rich and complex examination of African and indigenous roots of Caribbean literature. Edward Camus Brathwaite was born in Bridgetown, which was an English colony of Barbados in 1930. This island was deserted by indigenous Carib Indians by the time the English arrived in 1625. The first African slaves were brought to it in 1627. The island has more than 90% people of African descent. Brathwaite left Barbados in 1950 to study history at Pembroke College, Cambridge University. At Sussex, he submitted his doctoral thesis titled The Development of Creole Society in Jamaica from 1770 to 1820. This thesis was published by the Oxford University Press in 1971. In this work, Brathwaite calls creolization a cultural action or a social process based on the response of individuals to their environment and to each other. The process takes place in stages, according to him, starting with seasoning and socialization. Brathwaite criticizes the elite blacks for losing touch with their folk culture and hence losing their chance for independence. Brathwaite worked in Ghana's Ministry of Education for 8 years. Later, he became the professor of history at the University of West Indies, Jamaica. He also taught at Harvard University and New York University. A sense of belongingness to Barbados permeates his work. The critical, cultural, and historical concerns of the author inform his poetry. The African connection and the control of language are issues he has discussed in his various essays. Brathwaite is a poet of international repute. Using nation language, linguistics, as well as typographic innovation, Brathwaite composes poems that are deftly parse the connected strands of post-colonial, historical, and personal inquiry. He is the author of numerous collections of poetry, including Slow Horses, Ancestors, Middle Passage, etc. His epic titled The Arrivants, a New Word Trilogy, published in the year 1973, comprises his early collection of poetry. Historical, autobiographical, and poetic concerns are interwoven in this work. His efforts at founding and running the Caribbean Artists Movement (CAM), started by him in London in 1967, brought him in touch with Caribbean poets in Britain. Brathwaite's most important and most controversial work on Caribbean culture is Contradictory Omens, Cultural Diversity and Integration in the Caribbean, published in the year 1974. It was originally presented as a paper at a conference at Johns Hopkins University. According to Brathwaite, artists in the West Indies face a fragmented culture, which has led to the dissociation of sensibility in the early post colonial literature. As and when consciousness of rootlessness has emerged, it has been from an immigrant perspective, in addition to several later collections of poetry, notably Barabajan poems, published in 1994. Brathwaite produced a number of cultural, historical, and literary studies, among them folk culture of the slaves in Jamaica, the development of Creole society in Jamaica, published in the year 1971, History of the Voice, the development of nation language in Anglophone and Caribbean poetry, published in the year 1984, and Roots, published in the year 1986, are worth noting. Thank you.